My name is Will, and in this short video I'll be going over how I called EDU for a 14.75% win. So first things first, how I found this stock. I used a TradingView gap screener. This can be accessed from your TradingView tab if you're on paid or free. It can be accessed either way. You can find it at the bottom of your charts. It's called stock screener. So if I pull this up right now, these are my settings for it if you want to copy them. So yeah, it's just that. And this is how I found EDU. There are also a few other stocks. I did talk about ORCL today, NCLH as well, but EDU really caught my eye. So let's go over why it caught my eye. So as you can see, this is daily chart right now on Webull. I really do like Webull charts, and as you can see, it has broke the daily downtrend, right? It actually initially broke the daily downtrend here on the let's say the 6th of June. So it's not actually too far long ago, right? So yeah, that was the first thing I saw. I saw that it literally gapped up here at 1830 and gapped up past the previous bear candle, which means, right, everyone who shorted in this bear candle right here, so between 1850 and let's say $17, right, is now under the water, meaning that the stock could possibly short squeeze. Well, not exactly short squeeze, but you know, bears will need to cover if they want to not get not take a loss on the trade, right? So another reason why I love this stock was because it's easy to identify the profit targets on the trade. So you can see these pivot highs over here, so that's a pivot high. Another one here at 22.30 work as profit targets so well, right? Okay, and also the closes as well, as I did highlight in the small description. So that's meant to be 1940. There's another close over here at 2110 or so, somewhere along the lines of that. If I had my magnetic tool on, it would work perfectly, but for the meantime, it's okay. So next up is why I actually traded the setup initially. So I was using the 1 minute chart. I did alert this very early on into the day, and quite frankly I alerted it due to, let's go back and scroll through this chart a little bit more quickly. So of course we saw it gapping up in pre-market. There's not really much volume, but the fact that it made a higher high here and then a higher low was very bullish to me. So I had my stop loss at 1805 because I know that if we broke the higher low, we would be very bearish. And then the fact that we actually broke the pre-market high out of the open was very bullish. So we added on this first pullback here because there was a huge influx of bullish volume. So we added and then traded upwards from there.